Today we will talk about how to rent a car to pick you up with the least waiting time. You can make a reservation on the app trip.com. Click car rentals, and your pickup location will be the airport. Your drop-off location will be wherever you want to go at your destination. Click on filter and filter by instant confirmation. After applying, all the choices showing up are those suppliers we can confirm as quickly as possible, which means you can wait as little as possible. Once you have decided, click on the offer and you can see more details on pickup documents, insurance, and more essential info. Finally, click Continue.